Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are well. Now, we are going to see with our comprehension part. Do you know what is a comprehension? What is a comprehension? Tell me. Anyone can tell? No? Okay, I will tell you. Comprehension means there is a passage. You have to read the passage carefully, and below the passage there are questions over there. Those questions you have to write properly. But for that you have to read the passage very carefully. So now here on page number 92 in your grammar textbooks, take out page number 92. There is one passage over there. I am reading the passage. Afterwards we are going to solve the exercise below that. Okay. Now look into your books. Listen to the passage very carefully. What is the name of the passage? We are doing passage number 5 first. Why? Because the other topics are related to Diwali. One is related to Republic Day. So when those events come, when those days come, that time we are going to do that. So that's why we are first taking the passage number 5. Okay. Now look in the books. The name of the passage is A Visit to a Hill Station. During the last summer vacation, I visited Mussoorie with my parents. I had never been to a hill station before, so it was a new experience for me. Now where had this speaker gone? The speaker had gone to Mussoorie. With whom did he go? He went with his parents. Have you been to Mussoorie, students? Have you gone? Okay. There was a large number of visitors. Everywhere there was a great hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle means lot of noise. Hustle and bustle means lot of noise. A lot of noise is there. Why? Because many people were there. So hustle and bustle means to have lot of noise. The weather was very pleasant. Pleasant means छान, आल्हाददायक. हवा छान है म्हणतो ना आपण, तसं it was very pleasant. The scenery all around was very charming. The fir-clad hills presented a fine view. Fir-clad hills means the fir in the hill stations, the trees which are there, they are very tall trees and they have fur on it. Okay, and those trees are very high and very pointed, and so they look very nice. Rightly was Mussoorie being called the Queen of Hills. What is Mussoorie called? It is called as the Queen of Hills. It transports one into a heaven of joy. We visited all the tourist places in the neighborhood of Mussoorie. The memory of this visit is still fresh in my mind. So now this is a very short passage, but in the exam you might get a big one or smaller than one also. Okay, now see what is this passage about. This passage is about the speaker. He has gone to Mussoorie with his parents and he is explaining what he did over there. Now see your students, below that there are two questions. So the first question is choose the correct answer. That you have to write in the textbook only. Don't write it in the notebook. Okay. What is the first question? The weather in Mussoorie was three options are there: pleasant, unpleasant and hot. What is the answer? It is pleasant. So the first answer is pleasant. You will write this, put a tick mark in your notebook, and see here in the textbook space is given there. Put a tick mark also and write the answer also over here, pleasant. Yes. Then the weather in Mussoorie was very pleasant. Now look at the second one. There were dash visitors in Mussoorie. What are the options? A large number of, few and no. What is the correct answer? Yes, A. A large number of what? A large number of. Put a tick mark and then write the answer over here in the space provided. Yes. Now let us go to the second question. Answer each question briefly. You have to answer it very properly. Now what is the first question? Where did the speaker go during the last summer vacation? Where did he go? Now we are going to write the answer. So go, we have to do it in past tense. Past tense of go is went. So what is the answer? The speaker went to Mussoorie with his parents. These answers you have to write in your notebook. Composition grammar notebook is there now. You will first write the name of the passage, comprehension, then directly write question. Second, answer the following question. Don't write the question. Directly write the answer. So what is the first answer? The first answer is the speaker went to Mussoorie with his parents. Now look at the second question. What is the second question? What was a new experience for his or her? Now we don't know whether this speaker is a boy or whether it is a girl. So here that's why his or her is written. Oblique here, oblique sign you can see. Oblique means what? His or her. What was a new experience? What was a new experience? The speaker had never been to a hill station. So visiting a hill station was a new experience for him. So what? The speaker had never been to a hill station before. So this was the new experience for the speaker. Understood? He had not gone. He didn't know what is a hill station. Hill station, what is a hill station? A hill station is a place where many tourists come. People go to have vacation. The weather over there is very nice. Means in summer also the weather is little cool. So people go to hill stations in summer. Okay? Written the second answer. The speaker had never been to a hill station before. This was his new experience. Now what transports one into heaven of joy? Transports means what takes us into heaven of joy according to this passage. The Queen of Hills. Now Mussoorie is called as the Queen of Hills. So I have not written here Mussoorie. The Queen of Hills sends one into a heaven of joy. What sends us into heaven of joy means to feel very pleasant, to feel very relaxed. We say that it transports us into heaven of joy. What? The Queen of Hills. You can write Mussoorie also. Okay. Even if you write Mussoorie, transports one into heaven of joy, that is also correct. The Queen of Hills, if you write, that is also correct. Understood? Now look at the fourth one. What is called the Queen of Hills? What is called the Queen of Hills? Mussoorie. You can write the full sentence also. Mussoorie is called the Queen of Hills, or even if you write Mussoorie, it is okay. Now see here, fifth question is there. That you have to write on your own. That is one homework for you. Okay. What is still fresh in the speaker's mind? Now this answer you have to find and write on your own. Is it clear? I hope you have understood this. Now see here, write 10 or 15 sentences on a visit to a temple. Now here either write this or you write a picnic. The place where I went for a picnic, that you write, or a visit to a temple. You have a choice. Either write a visit to a temple or a picnic. Write 10 lines on it. This is for your homework. Is it clear, students? And fifth question is there. This answer you have to write in your notebook. Understood? Is it clear? Okay, students, bye.